Usually tables have the header rows. I want to make that too, but before that, actually our numberings start from wrong rows. We need to start from the second row. So let's adjust our code first. Press Alt or Option F11. Go to Insert Numbers. I don't want to actually make every 2-step even or odd. So let's remove that to make step 1. So we don't need actually this calculation. But if you calculate, we need first go to the very home and then 1 down. So before loop, we need 1 time go down and then start adding numbering. I remove the table, go to the VBA. So first, I gonna go 1 time down. I copy this code, right click copy here, which means this code before start looping. Allow me to insert the table. First, after going home, 1 time going down and then start my loop for generate numbering. Now, if I go developer and Visual Basic, 1 time went down after going very home here, and then start generating numbers. Allow me to change the orders. I want to move these here to be clear, and for auto numbering start actually for this loop. So first I define the variable, assign the number of rows, then we're going very first cell of the table, and then we're going 1 row down, then start numbering. Let's try, is it working or not? Run 10 2, insert table, insert numbers. Yep, that's fine. And all borders, of course. Allow me to remove. I think we have extra. I'm not sure there's one left or not. Let's try again. We have some extra digits here. I don't know where that's come. Let's check the code. Here, going 1 down. From 0, no, maybe from 1 to that. Minus, actually that's fine. I and 1 going down. I think we should not have any extra rows or digits, but because we went once down, we need I minus 1, 1 row less. Let's try it again. 10 2, insert. Okay, that's fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 9. And of course the borders. I remove that, and in the next video we will assign the heading.